Town or countryside? My name is Peter. I live in the countryside, in a cottage which is over 100 years old. The cottage is near a small village. I love living here because it's calm. There aren't many cars or buses, the streets are clean. You can go for a walk because there isn't any violence. You can even leave your doors open, nobody will steal anything. We know all the neighbors, and at the end of the day, people get together at the main square and chat. We go to bed early, as there isn't much to do in the evening. There isn't any disco, theater, or cinema. We also don't have a museum or a youth club. But the children can play in the streets or in the fields, and they can have animals. You can sleep very well because there is no noise. You can hear the birds singing or the rain pouring. The air is pure and cool, and you can see millions of stars. It is a bit difficult in winter. Sometimes it snows a lot, and then we are isolated for a few days. But still, I like living in the countryside. My name is Ken. I live in a big town and I love it. Of course, there are lots of cars and buses, bikes and motorbikes, people trying to cross the streets. Traffic jams are normal and the air is bad. But there are lots of advantages too. There are more workplaces in the city, better schools, nicer shops, finer restaurants and bars, hundreds of cinemas and theaters, art galleries and museums. If you want to go for a walk, you can go to one of the parks. Of course, children can't play in the streets, but there are lots of youth clubs and amusement parks where children can enjoy themselves. Answer the questions. 1. Where does Peter live? 2. Where is the cottage? 3. Why does Peter love living in the countryside? 4. Why is it easy to go for a walk? 5. What do people do at the end of the day? 6. When do people go to bed? 7. Why do people go to bed early? 8. Where can the children play in the streets? 9. What happens sometimes in winter? 10. What happens normally in a big city? 11. What kind of entertainment is there in the city? 12. Where can people go for a walk? 13. Where can children play? Make a list of advantages and disadvantages of living in the city or in the countryside. Use the information from the text and your own ideas. Advantages. Disadvantages. Countryside city.